got one of the HM1 carts and assembled it onto the Z1 here. I'm gonna reverse this. I thought maybe I'd like having it with a little shorter wheelbase, but that's not working out. But I spent a lot of time moving the wires around on and hiding them, so like I've got the trigger wires routed underneath, the ignition wire is routed underneath, there's a ground on, all those grounds on the other side have been routed underneath, so this ground wire routed underneath, and then I put a ground wire under each of the 4 mounting bolts that hold the fuel tank casting of the Z1 onto the wooden base. So there are a whole bunch of grounds on the lower casting, and then this one directly to the head to make sure that I've got good grounding everywhere. But I did all that, and then I decided that I would rather run the engine a little bit than worry about turning the wheel mount around right away. So